Hey Mopar fans, this is a 1976 Plymouth Volare Premier. This is the first year of the F body. It was the replacement for the A body. Kind of a, I guess since the E body quit in '74, they had to have something in this size. And honestly, a little two-door Volare is not a bad looking style. This particular one, I saw a guy who said, "Hey, I got this old car, it's got a 318 in it. You need a 318 for one of your other cars, don't you?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Come on over, I'll sell it to you cheap." So I got over there and I saw, dang, this is rusty. It's been up north. This is Mocha Nut. This car has the V8 318 two-barrel, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. Somebody checked the boxes on this car. Now, it started its life up north. It looks like it had a lot of salt damage, but underneath it in the unit body, it's not really being followed. It's not rusty. The frame is in good condition. The fronts, of course, the Volare grills don't stand up to much. They've dried out and broken, and they just fall into pieces. That fender has got a dent in it. There's rust in every corner of the car, but it's stuff that people are able to patch these days. Now, it had a vinyl roof. It doesn't leak into the inside of the car, but I plan to do something about that. I chose not to take it apart and use it for parts. Not a bad little car. I'm going to do a different video on the under the hood, and probably pre-start it before I do the video, because I don't want to disappoint y'all and say, well, I couldn't get it started. I'm pretty sure it will. It's been quite a few years, so I know that some of y'all looking at this paint, this is the original color, this is the original paint. It's just got a nice slick coat of shiny on it, just to keep the weather from making it any worse. Texas sun just destroys these little cars. Anyway, this is the Volare, one of many projects. I don't have the title, that's why I can't really start on it. Don't want to start on something and then have to say, well, that was a loss. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. Thank you.